What's on TV? There's a sale on toys! Quick, get that piggy bank!
Wow!
You know, those things usually have a plug on the bottom.
Oh!
What's he up to?
What?
Ah, what a bully! Don't take her money! Let's hope he spends it on a haircut. This is why you should keep things in the bank. You even earn interest, too.
Hey!
Aw, a bubble machine. That would have been so much fun to play with. And just think of all that excess breathing it'll save you from doing. Aw, cheer up. There's a bonus video with a cool face mask gadget at the end.
Yay!
Wow, that's a lot of straws. What's she up to anyway? Dip them all into the bubble solution. Cue one blow dryer. And we can make our own bubble storm.
Wow!
Up next, it's a squirrel in a tree trunk. Collect all three. Blue, yellow, and glitter. Yeah, I'm not the biggest yogurt fan either. Just add a balloon inside. Not too big and not too small. And now it's a cute little piggy. Don't forget to make the other two. Shh. You've all heard of bunny slippers, so why not give flamingos a chance to be
Goodbye.
shoes? Now you can finally live out your dream of putting on a puppet show with your feet. And relax while you're doing it. And by the looks of it, you sure could use a new pair of slippers. Oh, don't cry. Ew. You know today's just not her day. Another toy pig? This girl must really love her pigs. Which explains why she has two of them. Just enough to wear as shoes. Now, tickle those piggies. This next toy must have something to do with flying.
Oh!
Wow, this fairy can glide in the air. But I guess that's what fairies do best. I wonder if she's gonna make a flying pig.
Wow!
I hope not. I've made a lot of promises about flying pigs. So far, she's fixing up this old cup with beads and rubber bands. Helicopter blades are the perfect thing to keep things in the air. Googly eyes don't have any functional value, but who doesn't love googly eyes?
Yes.
Is she ready for her maiden voyage? Oh no, she is not. Well then, let's see if she can make this landing.
Hey!
More shoes? I think these toy people just buy them in bulk. Well, you just gotta love going clothes shopping at the toy store. But who needs fancy shoes? We've got a cow.
Phew!
Not the reaction I'd normally expect from breaking your toys. With some hot glue, this cow becomes a white shoe's new heel. And it keeps the cow theme going with these big black spots. Wait, how many of these broken cows does she have? Well, I love body massagers as much as anyone, but I thought this was a toy channel. Look at all those settings. And all that reach you get. You know she could use a massage with the day she's had. These car wheels might just give her an idea. We're gonna need a few more wheels, and maybe a ruler. Well, all together, it'll be much easier for tiny elves to carpool.
Ooh.
I mean, give yourself a massage, all over too. And it's probably a pretty good back scratcher too. It's on sale. Buy it, buy it. What is it anyway? Oh, it's like a cute little elephant. And it can shoot colorful little balls it eats through its ears. Look, with the air from its trunk, the balls can float in midair.
Wow.
I'm wondering how she's gonna pull this one off. Luckily, her handy-dandy balloons will save the day.
Yes.
It's like a wreath. Of course, we'll need some wind to give this thing some air. These balloons spinning around is kind of hypnotic, isn't it? And as the prophecy has foretold, it's the bonus episode. This is why you should keep your dermatologist on speed dial. Take these watermelon treats, mash them up. Run it through a face mask maker, and, well, make a face mask. Now let's try making a face mask out of ramen. This already smells delicious, with all the seasoning and hot water. Don't forget the collagen pill. Will it make a good face mask? No, it does not.
Ew.
Yeah, let's stick with sweet things, like these lollipops. Yeah, it doesn't look so good all melted up like this. She seems to like this one. Let's keep the trend going with sweet stuff. Whether or not it works, at least it's sparkly. Really sparkly. After a hard day of pampering, it's time for some well-deserved rest. When elephants attack! It took a lot of stretching to get that pose just right. Strike a pose. That fairy doll was 3 hours late to the set. Catch you next time.